Gemini just changed everything. This AI can now run your inbox, write your content, plan your week, and do it all while you sleep. No more switching between 10 different apps. No more wasting hours on stuff AI can do for you. This is the tool that replaces your assistant, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it today. Now let's get into it. Because what Google just dropped with the new Gemini app is genuinely one of the biggest AI updates of the year. Most people are still using AI like a chatbot. They type a question, they get an answer, they move on. But that's not what Gemini is anymore. The new Gemini is more like a 24-hour worker. It runs in the background, it connects to your Gmail, your Docs, your calendar, your Drive, and it executes real tasks while you focus on the stuff that actually matters. I'm going to show you 5 practical ways to use this today. Whether you're brand new to AI or you've been using it for years, you're going to walk away with things you can actually do right now. So what actually is Gemini now? It's not just a chat tool, it's a central AI assistant that lives in the cloud and stays connected to everything in your Google Workspace. That means it can read your emails, check your calendar, write documents, build slide decks, and take action across all of it. If you're brand new to AI, think of it like a smart assistant who knows your schedule, knows your inbox, and actually does things for you instead of just talking about it. If you're more advanced, think of it as your first real AI team member, one that connects to your tools, runs multi-step tasks, and doesn't need a break. The biggest new feature is called Gemini Spark. This is a background AI agent that runs long jobs tied to your Google tools. And this is where it gets really powerful. Here's a real example of how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. I'd tell Gemini, scan my inbox for everyone who asked about AI automation in the last 30 days, write a friendly reply that introduces them to the AI Profit Boardroom and explains how it helps them save time and grow their business, then save those drafts so I can review them before sending. That's a task that would normally take an hour. Gemini does it in minutes. For the more advanced users, here's another one. Tell Gemini to pull your coaching call notes from the past week, turn them into a structured Google Doc, and then convert that doc into a slides presentation for your team. One instruction, multiple steps, done. That's the mindset shift here. You stop typing prompts all day and start assigning jobs like you would to a real assistant. Quick pause. If you want to learn how to use AI tools like Gemini to automate your business, save hours every week, and build real systems that work without you, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious business owners and creators come to get the exact workflows, prompts, and SOPs that make AI actually work for their business. The link is in the description and the comments. Go check it out and come back. Now let's keep going. The next feature is called Daily Brief. And this one is simple but incredibly useful. Every morning, Gemini scans your inbox, your calendar, and your tasks and gives you a short summary of what matters today. For someone just getting started, imagine waking up and instead of opening your phone and drowning in emails, Gemini just tells you who emailed you that matters, what meetings are coming up, and the 3 to 5 things you need to handle first. That's it. Clean, simple, and focused. For someone running a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, this gets even better. Gemini highlights new members who just joined, flags the most common questions being asked, and reminds you about upcoming calls or content deadlines. Your whole day is organized before you even get out of bed. This feature is rolling out to Google AI subscribers starting in the US, with more countries coming over time. Google also gave Gemini a full design upgrade. The interface is smoother, the animations are cleaner, and the whole thing just feels more natural to use. The voice has been upgraded too. It's more conversational now. It feels less like giving commands to a robot and more like talking to someone who actually understands you. For beginners, this matters because AI can feel intimidating. The new design makes it way easier to just start using it every day. For advanced users, this means voice-based workflows are actually practical now. You can talk to Gemini while you're commuting, while you're walking, while you're between meetings, and it keeps up. Under the hood, Gemini is now running on a new model called Gemini 3.5 Flash. This is the engine that powers everything. It's faster, it's smarter, and it's built specifically for long-running background tasks and agent-style workflows. Here's why this matters. The reason most AI automations break or feel clunky is because the model running them can't keep up. It stalls, it misses steps, it produces garbage halfway through. With 3.5 at Flash, those background jobs actually run clean. Gemini Spark runs on this model, which is exactly why those multi-step automations work so well now. The brain got a serious upgrade and you feel it immediately. Here's one of my favorite things about the new Gemini. It kills app switching. Right now, most people are opening Gmail, then Docs, then Slides, then Calendar, then Notion, then a content tool, then a planner. That's exhausting. With Gemini, you describe what you need and it handles the routing. You don't have to open anything. You just talk to one place. For someone running the AI Profit Boardroom, this is massive. Instead of needing a separate email tool, a content writer, a slide designer, and a report builder, Gemini handles all of that from one conversation. The apps still exist, but you delegate the actions instead of doing them manually yourself. Let me give you 5 real things you can do with Gemini right now. First, create a lead magnet for the AI Profit Boardroom. Tell Gemini, write a 1-page guide on the top 5 benefits of joining the AI Profit Boardroom, save it as a Google Doc, and format it so it's ready to share with my email list. Done in 2 minutes. Second, build a content plan from your YouTube comments. Tell Gemini, look at my last 30 YouTube comments, find the top 3 questions people are confused about, and turn those into video ideas with titles and outlines. Instant content calendar. Third, write a welcome email sequence for new members. Tell Gemini, draft 5 short welcome emails for new members joining the AI Profit Boardroom, keep the tone friendly and on brand, and make each email focus on one key benefit of the community. Fifth, email campaign written in seconds. Fourth, turn a recording into social content. Tell Gemini, take this transcript from my last coaching call, pull out the top 10 key lessons, and turn them into a carousel post outline for LinkedIn or Instagram. One recording becomes a week of content. Fifth, plan your entire week. Tell Gemini, plan my week with time blocked for content creation, calls, community work, and deep focus sessions, then add it all to my Google Calendar. Your whole week organized in one instruction. Here's the thing nobody talks about. The people who start using these tools now and build real habits around them are going to be miles ahead in 6 months. It's not about being an expert. It's not about knowing every feature. It's about starting. If you're new, pick one thing from this video and try it today. Just one. What happens? If you're already using AI in your business, the edge now is building repeatable workflows. Set up your daily brief. Build your Gemini Spark automations. Create your content pipeline. Make it a system, not a one-off. The tools are here. The question is who acts on them first? That's a wrap on everything you need to know about the new Gemini app. Before you go, 2 things. First, if you're serious about using AI to grow your business and actually save time, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where we go deep on tools like this, share real workflows, and help each other build smarter businesses with AI. The link is in the description and the comments below. Second, if you want the full SOPs, prompts, and video notes from everything I cover on this channel, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. We've got over 67,000 members in there who are using AI every day to get ahead. Link is also in the comments and description. Go grab it. Now comment below and tell me one thing. What's the first job you'd give Gemini? I want to know. Stay early, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.